Hello there and welcome to Professional Trading Strategies. Now, I'm going to show you a real quick method on how to milk the boom and crash market, or let me just use the word scalping and all that. Well, as you can see already, obviously, I'm already in a trade. Yeah, that's due to the red line you can see above here. I'm already in a trade. I'll explain when I go into that trade and which method I'm using or what strategy I'm using, analyzing the market before I go into that trade. So real quick, let me show you what I have for you guys, and it's a very simple strategy. With a 95% adequacy, I must say. Okay, so let's do this. So first off, we're going to be using two RSIs. That's the relative strength index. So I don't know. Okay, I think I have to guide you guys through this if you're just joining us for the first time. So obviously, you just go to the click the blue the F icon above. So when you click on it, you look for the RSI. So you scroll down and we found our RSI right here. So this is the RSI, and then you just click on it, and yeah, this should be the parameters you're using. So I've already set mine. Use whatever was there or whatever default was there. Make sure you set it to this period to 1, apply to close, and 2 pixels, and then the style should be whatever. Well, like I said, I'm using 2 pixels, so you can use that also. And then your levels, yeah, this should be your levels: 95, 85, 15.5. Take a screenshot of this if necessary, and that'll be cool. And then the color, so I'm using white due to the fact that my background is black. So yeah, I just feel comfortable white. It's much clearer and all that. So yeah, you click done. So yeah, you click done, and then you still come back here, and then you click on now you're going to be clicking on the first part, main chart icon next to the main chart. So click on that and look for the RSI again, same parameters, everything and all that. I'm just clicked on. So now we have 2 RSIs here displayed on our screen, and then the next part is we go into the market again, and then now we're not going to be touching the main chart, so we're going to be clicking this. So yeah, that's what we're going to click in the F icon on indicator window 1. So when you click on the F icon with the indicator window 1, you look for a moving average. Now these are the parameters for the moving averages. Period 10, shift 1, linear weight, close, 3 pixels red, and then here you click done. So now you can see it's here, it's already here on the first indicator window 1. So and then we'll go back again. And now this time we're coming to the indicator window 2. So we want to set on something for our relative strength index 2. This time it's not going to be a moving average but an Ichimoku. So yeah, Ichimoku's mine is located right above the moving average. So this is what we're clicking on, Ichimoku, and this should be our parameters. Now take note, after setting all the parameters for all these numbers and all this, do take note of the fact that these colors here are dark colors because my background is dark. So just have to pick a color that's for your background. So you can pick white if your background is white, and since mine is dark, I'm using a dark color and all that. So yeah, and then you click done. Yeah, we can see that blue and red, right? I think we'll go with this. Okay, let me make this lemon so it's a bit clearer. In our Ichimoku, I'm going to be turning this down to okay, lemon color. Oh, sorry, it's yellow. Let's see, lemon. Yeah, so cool. That's that for Ichimoku, and then yeah, we're all set. So the thing about this indicator is quite simple. All you have to do is go into the market at the right time. So let me show you something real quick. Okay, first things first. Whenever all parameters align, now let's take note of this straight line here, right from this point. Whenever all parameters align, now take note, they are all aligning at right above the 80, the level 80 on the RSI, and they can be touching the 80 or in between 80 and 90 line, but they are all above 80. Now whenever they align in this similitude, I advise you go into the market for a sell. It's a definite sell. Now obviously if you go into the market for a sell, okay, I'm totally zoomed out, so let me zoom in once. Now if you go into the market for a sell at this point, like I called out earlier, you can see there are several spikes going on and all that. all you have to do is go into the market for a sell. You don't have to stay true, or you won't be able to even stay true all the way. You just have to, like I said, it's milking, scalping the market. All you have to do is count out 10 candles. So assuming if you are going to the market at this point after this last spike here, or let's do it this way, yeah, this is when the market was correcting itself, and you had simply just be diligent enough to take out 10 candles. Now 10 selling candles, not spiking candles. So if you take out a 5 candle and there's a spike, you can still in the market to get another 5 candles to correct your 10. So once you take out 10 candles, you leave the market, or you decide to, like I've showed the strategy on the previous video, you close that trade and open another with a smaller lot size. Now you have to understand how all this works. So, but just be diligent, take out 10 candles, and yeah, you should be on the profiting side. Let me look for example, another example here. Okay, something similar happened here, even though it happened twice. Okay, yeah, okay, it didn't happen twice. It would have happened. Some people would have gone in for a trade here, but as you can see, it's not a stable market. Like I said, make sure ET and it's above the line ET. Now let's look for something that hit our parameters. Good. So right here, if it obeyed all the rules that we placed out. Okay, sorry, one sec. Okay, you see that it's obeyed at this point. Yeah, to obeyed all the rules that we placed out at this point. And yeah, you just follow the rules, and yeah, that's about it on this strategy. Now why it's obeyed here, if I was to have taken it, if I shift the market, you will notice that it came down. Yeah, this is because at this point, this is what the market will show you, and you go into the market and take your 10 candles and leave. Now it comes down because it's trying to show us that the market is correcting itself for an upward trend. So that's just for those that are having doubts and questions about why it's readjusting. So at this point now, you can see that right now I'm in a trade, and the market here is obviously obeying all rules right here, and yeah, and you can see the points where I went in for the trade, just almost at an exact correct point, and it's having yeah, I'm in a profit right now. Yeah, I'm in serious profit right now. Okay, that's a $7 with 0.50 lot size. Let me hold down this for you guys. I'm not closing position, I just want to show you something. 0.50 lot size. Yeah, cool. So I'm going to be doing a video very soon on how to those trading with smaller account, how to trade very safely and also scalp the market. So you can, I'm also teaching you how to scalp with at least $10 or less. So all I have to advise you to do is subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so that when the video drops, you'll be the first set of people to notice it and all that. And please take note again, I would like to call out something. I went into this trade not with this signal or this indicator. Now this indicator is a very good indicator for going into a trade, but I went into this trade not with this indicator, but with the indicator I used previously. You can check the exact previous video right before this one. That was the indicator I used to go into the market before setting this up, and I realized that yeah, this market is also confirming that I got in at the right time, and you can see the exact position at which I got in. Like I can stay in the market for a very long time to take out something, because the market is trying to correct itself after a very long after it came down from a very long downtrend, and now it's coming upward again. So after a very long upward trend, it's trying to correct itself. Now you can actually notice this if you switch to a landscape mode. I advise you to landscape mode, observe the market, use your support level and resistance level like I always see and all that, and you understand this better. So that's all on this. Like I said earlier, don't forget to subscribe, like, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and bye for now.